this guy can't drive. Like, because content. Because content, bro. You gotta have both hands on the steering wheel. It's an aesthetic thing and content. I wanna blow right through the red. Fucking lucky went green. Traffic jam assist unavailable. Well, I don't really see any traffic, so I don't know what my car's on about. What do you call a lady police officer that shaves her vagina? Constable.
Oh, you're fucking funny.
We got it on camera.
Bro!
It's not even funny. Oh fuck, I need to stop doing drugs. Shall I rear end him? Cool. Oh, he let me past the nose. Gotta look away. Can you like tell me if I'm going straight or not? Because if I look to the right lane, I'm gonna lose my shit.
Don't fucking look!
Good luck, mate. Can't catch me. They think they're so cool chasing me. I'm not chasing them.
You have not once been chased by a cop. Speechless. Of course you red-handed, not fucking lying.
Red and blue-handed. Oh, he is looking for me. I told you.
Curry.
I told you. Look, he's literally looking for me, bro.
Hey baby.
No, look, he's gonna like light me up and shit too.
Hey,
He's gonna be
baby.
like, no, hey baby. What the fuck?
Hey, it's a red light.
This guy's a race car driver. I low-key want to race. Like an actual launch.
Scott, don't.
Machine's over there.
Jay, it's his job. He's supporting himself. Like these fucking retards over here.
I'm fucking laughing so hard, I got tears in my eyes. Oh shit. What the
Scott's
fuck?
really laughing at the machines that they drive on the sidewalk.
Oh
And
fuck.
he was fine. And
Oh shit. I'm uncontrollably laughing. What the
it's
fuck?
not even that funny.
They look so stupid. They look fucking ridiculous. Take a fucking video of it. I need like a second point of view so people know what I'm laughing. What the fuck? No, it's not even fucking funny. Oh, a cop car. Oh, strobe lights. Bro, imagine having red and blues in this weather. Straight? Two. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Glad I have a GPS sitting next to me. Hey, stop laughing. I love his dreads.
They're braids.
Well, fucking same thing.
Does he look African to you?
Brother, dreads, braids, they all look very cool. I was just trying to compliment him. We're going around.
wife.
We're going around to meet him. Oh, hey bro, what do you do for a living? What a G. I think I got it out of my system. Like, it was so funny the first couple of times, but actually driving past it, it's not actually that funny anymore.